So Men's Daily Essential under 50 has two key formulations that I think are important for men. One of them is our cholesterol formulation, which helps bring down HDL, LDL, and control cholesterol in a man's health. And the other formulation is the fish oil, which helps boost HDL, the good cholesterol. So when you go visit your doctor's going to tell you need to be on some good cholesterol oils, and one of them is a fish oil balanced with omega-3, 6, 9. So when you're looking at bringing and changing your cholesterol numbers in your body, you might want to consider, gentlemen, our well-balanced under 50 daily essentials. Gentlemen out there, chances are your women in your life are probably going to buy this for you, but I want you just to listen carefully. Men's Essential is a wonderful formulation for you men. I know when I talk to men in my practice and throughout the professional things that I do, I find out men don't take vitamins. It's pretty intimidating when you walk into the grocery store or the pharmacy and you look up and you don't know which vitamins to take. Well, I've taken that thought process out of that whole experience, and I've suggested that you take Well Balanced for men, over 50 and under 50. It's put together very conveniently in a little blister pack, and you just break it open and take the formulation first thing in the morning with your breakfast. So make it easy for yourself and just put in some supplementation to help for a healthy lifestyle.